Next to go on is the trim plate itself. You will see on this that the logo is at 6 o'clock. Place that logo at 6 o'clock. Next to be installed, this is the diverter nut that is installed with two Allen keys, one at 12 o'clock and one at 6 o'clock. These are 2 millimeter. I would tighten them alternately. On the bottom, there will be installed a handle. On the top, once we get the Allen keys tightened, there will be a screw cover cap that covers that part of the installation. Now this is probably the second most critical thing to do as far as the operation goes. You want to tighten these alternately, install the lever, and make sure that it won't slip. As you see, we've installed the bottom lever and that the lever is at 6 o'clock. The upper lever, and you can see that there is a long Allen key that's here, is actually installed at 12 o'clock. Don't forget, there is only one function per handle. And as with the other handles, this is, to me, the most critical portion of this. You tighten them alternately. And then the final piece is that you have the thermostatic control handle that goes on each the top and on the bottom installations. This is a clip system. As you can see, you have 38 degrees centigrade, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure that that is in the horizontal position. Use a bead of silicone on the wall itself, except at the 6 o'clock portion on the bottom of the trim plate, and then test the system so that you know everything works. In this installation, the top lever actually turns on the body sprays, and the bottom lever turns on the shower head. There are two volume controls for each one of the hand showers that are in the system. The R83 is the highest flow valve that we've got at 20 gallons per minute, and if you're looking for a lot of water, this is the valve for you.